guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making a energy bar, granola bar recipe. One of my friends shared this on Facebook and she thought it looked really good, and I did too. And what I liked about it is that it's got simple ingredients, but they're like whole food ingredients. So I really wanted to try this out, so I thought might as well take you guys along with me. And the recipe that she shared was from All Recipes, so I will leave a link down to the recipe with all the written instructions and all that down in the description below. So if you want to see how this granola bar recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. All right, so I first got going on peeling my bananas, very horribly I might add, but once they were peeled I went to mashing them, and since they weren't the sweetest bananas, they didn't mash super well, but once they got done, I put them aside and got 2 cups of rolled old-fashioned oats and put them into my big bowl, and then I grated 2 carrots. I don't know if that's necessary. I just did it. I always do this, always with my carrots. But once I cleaned them up, I went and grated them. And my grater has a cutting option on the upper and lower part, so it's super easy to grate. And then I went and cut up my apple to grate that as well. And I left the skin on with this one, but the skin didn't really grate. It just kind of like was in the way. But once that was done, I put that into a bowl, and then I got my unsweetened applesauce and leveled it out, and then put that into the bowl. And then added my mashed bananas and went to stirring town, and I just mixed that all together, and I got it all mixed, and then I realized that I forgot the peanuts, so I stopped and got these are roasted peanuts, and I just chopped them up a little bit and then put them in my bowl and then mixed it all together, and that was the last ingredient. And then after that I just put it in my cooking tray thing and leveled it out, and then I baked it. And I could tell based on how thick these were that they were not going to be super like hard or crunchy granola bars. But I topped half of it with a little bit of cinnamon. Once they were all done baking, I decided to cut them and let them cool on a cooling rack to see if that would help them kind of firm up, because they were really soft. And then I just let them cool to room temp. Alrighty, so I've let the granola bars cool enough, and I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. These are just very soft and kind of smushy. I feel like this is something without the peanuts that I would give a baby. They're just kind of bland. They don't have a ton of flavor. They don't have a ton of sweetness. And it's just kind of, I like them because they're healthy, but I don't like them because of what they taste like. Really, all I taste is the peanuts. The carrot doesn't shine through at all, which I guess is good if you're wanting to sneak in vegetables for things. But I just don't really think that as they are, they're all that worthy. I think that this is a great base to add more things to, but I would probably rate these, 5 out of 10, give them a middle ground, because they're not bad, but they're just not really good. And I would just add something like maple syrup or agave or honey or even sugar, just to add something to this to make it taste more than just like the plain banana and peanuts, and the little bit of oat flavor comes through too. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today, and give me a thumbs up if you did, and leave any requests for any future recipes that you want tested down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.